Every LEAF also boasts a spacious, highly functional interior with a quality, high-tech feel. The roomy, open cabin is highlighted by the brand's gliding wing design language. The cabin's interior dimensions comfortably accommodate 5 people and includes a 60/40 split fold-down rear seat for added flexibility. The rear cargo area is designed to provide ample luggage space, offering 23.6 cubic feet of available stowage. It also allows for every 2020 Nissan LEAF is offered with a limited warranty 5 covering defects in materials or workmanship for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, for the lithium-ion battery pack. Nissan also provides a limited warranty against battery capacity loss below 9 bars of capacity as shown on the vehicle's battery capacity level gauge for the first 8 years or 100,000.